In this video, we'll be replacing a Jalousie operator. For this project, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and 2 pairs of pliers. First, you will need to uninstall your original operator by unfastening the 4 outer screws and the screw that is holding the arm onto the inside linkage. Keep your original screws in case you need them for the install. Measure your original operator arm compared to the adjustable arm of Swissco's 39-165K and select the installation hole closest to the original. Place the pliers close to either side of the desired score line and snap the bar to create the correct length. Attach the arm to the operator using the included rivet and E-ring. Install the operator by first lining up and attaching the arm to the interior linkage. Then use the 4 screws to attach the face of the crank to the window frame. The installation hole spacing of this operator is compatible with a wide range of Jalousie windows and can be used on either the left or right side of the window or door. Simply flip it over. If you have questions about this or other door and window parts, visit our part identifier and ask our experts at Swissco.com.